Guys, what's up? It's Justin Marc, and in this 3-part video series, I'm gonna talk to you guys about the 3 main ways you can essentially meet women, pick up girls without being a fuckboy. Do it holistically and actually achieve amazing success long-term and live an amazing fucking life, okay? And we're gonna do that through these 3 things, which is confidence, building value as a man, and lastly, building comfort, learning how to have social awareness to make people feel comfortable. Right now, I'm actually having a small party. You might even hear some background noise throughout this video, and just people going crazy. Everyone having fun. I've tried to lower the sensitivity on my microphones so we don't pick up all these crazy people fucking partying and crazy shit. Like my buddy Nick's on the couch right over there, making out with Miriam. There's all kinds of stuff happening, and it's funny because how did I get to this level where I can just meet girls, have fun, party, and do it in such a holistic way that's so win-win that nobody's feelings get hurt. So in this 3-part video series, you're gonna learn it, and I want you guys to sit back, take notes, enjoy, and let's jump straight in.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
Bro, right now, you're sitting at home, probably getting average results in your dating life, probably getting average results in life in general. That's what everyone does. On average, everyone gets average results, right? If you wanna have exceptional results, follow the advice in this 3-part video series. Follow the fucking advice, because I promise you, this has the potential to change your life forever. This has the potential to take you to another level. And this has the potential to lead you down a different life path that's gonna allow you insane long-term success. So sit back, enjoy, talk to you soon.
Yeah. Since day one, I've been getting it. I'm spitting gibberish, I just spit the realest shit. That's why they can feel my shit, and I'm limitless, running like a business. I ain't leaving witnesses, I just keep on getting it. And they feeling it, I just keep on dealing it. Jackpot stealing it, haven't hit the ceiling, yeah. It's the chronicle, lick it like a popsicle. Everything is comical, nothing left is logical. Yeah, biological, maybe diabolical. They say psychological.
All right, guys, so part 2 of this video is essentially teaching you guys how to be a high-value man. You've understood being confident allows you to become attracted to women and therefore have high-value experiences. But what does having value as a man mean? Well, it means being able to provide your wisdom as a man, experiential wisdom, onto others. So being able to share advice, being able to provide value to others, whatever value you have to offer. You probably have a ton of value to offer. You might not even realize it, but you are a human who has all this unique experience to offer the world, unique experiences, perspective on life, and you can actually offer this to so many different people. And so you need to actually make sure that you maintain these experiences and remember them and put yourself in situations where you're gonna be getting the most out of life so you become that high value man. When you're a high value man, women simply find you attractive. Why does every single girl want to hook up with Drake? Why does every single girl find G-Eazy attractive? Why does every fucking rapper who looks like a fucking idiot with face tats get all these bitches, right? It's because he's a high value man. Why is he a high value man? Because he's providing a lot of value to society. He's providing good emotions to others. He's giving people good emotions through his shows, through his music, through his social media, whatever, right? And if you look at most people who get a lot of girls, most guys who get a lot of girls or whatever, right? A lot of them are social media influencers. A lot of them are like celebrities. A lot of them are people of success and status, right? So you want to become whatever version of high value, right? And when you do that, when you become high value, you are extremely fucking attractive. I think anybody, like any guy watching this video could say, you want to hook up with like Ariana Grande or Selena Gomez. Why? Because she's pretty. But is it just because she's pretty? If you look at a lot of female celebrities, a lot of them aren't even that attractive. But you actually want to hook up with them because they're high value. They've done stuff. They've accomplished things. They've, put value into the world. So as a man, do the same thing. And you don't need to become some like multi-millionaire A-list celebrity. You just need to be someone who provides good emotions to others. You need to have your daily successes. You need to be someone who's crushing your daily habits. You need to make sure that you are just a man with potential. Because part of being a high value man isn't even just being able to achieve success, but it's having potential. A lot of women will naturally gravitate towards a man who has a lot of fucking potential. So if you're very ambitious, if you're very go-getter mentality, hustler mentality, if you have big hopes and dreams, and you're still young and you have a good chance of achieving these things because you're really driven and you have a good track record, a lot of women will find you attractive. It's just inevitable, right? And when you have that confidence to back it up as well, so you're a high value man who's also confident, who's a go-getter, and then you kind of demonstrate that value to women. Say, hey, yo, I'm this fucking cool guy, without bragging, without like trying to flex on these hoes, right? But like actually just, understanding who you are, understanding your value, giving value, right? It's inevitable that people are gonna find you attractive. It's inevitable, like when you walk into a social environment, men are gonna wanna be your friend, women are gonna potentially wanna date you. Not all, but some women will wanna date you, right? And what's amazing about that is if you do cold approach, meet strangers, or if you do online dating, like if you get my online seduction course, online-seduction.com, you learn how to scale the fuck out of your dating life and get all these Tinder matches. Well, look, even if 1 in 100 women find you attractive, well, before it might've been like 1 in like 8,000, and now you're getting 80 times the results in your dating life. Does that make sense to you? I hope it does. So as you grow in your value, you become more attractive to women. It's just kind of how it works, right? And so everyone wants to be around a winner, right? You don't want to think, oh, all my friends are losers. I'm so proud of my friendships. You don't want to look at like your girlfriend and be like, oh, my girlfriend's a fucking loser, right? You don't want to look at your friends and be like, my friends are losers. Oh, yay, right? You want to think, my friends are awesome. I pride myself in knowing that all my friends are like millionaires. One of my old buddies, right? His name's Tom. He messaged me today. He's like, dude, I never thought I'd become a millionaire during a pandemic, during coronavirus, right? I'm gonna actually pull up the text he sent me today, right? And it's, so, okay, this is what he said. He's like, Justin, I hope we day game when I'm back in Toronto. I'm killing it here, but always solo. It's boring because he's in Europe, right? And then he said to me, before that, he said to me something about, he's like, I mean, I didn't cash out yet. I'm holding until my balance is at least 6 million. Who thought COVID would make me a millionaire? And so I read that text today and I thought about it. I'm like, wait, a lot of my best friends are like millionaires or like these cool influencer people or just like high value dudes, or if they're not, they have a lot of potential to be that, right? Or like the top dating coaches in the world, just cool fucking people, right? And I'm so fucking proud of my friends. It's not even like, all my friends are cool, I fit in with the popular kids. It's like, I have a lot of amazing fucking friendships. So like my buddy Nick Dora, who's in this video series, or a lot of people you see on my YouTube channel, just a lot of my really good fucking friends. I'm so fucking proud of these friendships because I know that everyone in my life, every male or female in my life is a go-getter who's out there on the path purpose, killing it, working towards a better, amazing life, and a very holistic person. The common factor of all these people is we all have amazing people around us, amazing sex lives, amazing dating lives, just happy fucking people. It's fucking great. Like I can't really complain about anything. I'm a very, very happy person internally. And it shows itself on the outside as well, right? And part of that is because I come forward with a very positive attitude towards life and I'm rewarded with positive experiences, and that gives me that experiential wisdom that makes me more of a high value man. Because the more positivity you give out to the world, the more amazing experiences you're gonna have, and then therefore, the more experiences you have, the higher value you become, right? Essentially, anybody who is high value has simply had a lot of experiences that made them high value, or been able to provide a lot of value. And when you have a lot of experiences that make you high value, and you're high value, you can now give a lot of value to the world. So it really comes down to being able to give value. Whether that's you on a cute Tinder date with a cute girl and giving her great emotions over drinks and letting her know how beautiful she is, whispering her naughty things in her ear and having a fun time. And then, maybe it goes back to your bedroom. And then maybe you end up like dating her, or maybe it's like an open relationship type dynamic where you guys see other people, but it's all cool because you talk about it, no feelings are getting hurt, right? Well, that's essentially how to pick up girls holistically. That's essentially how to meet women without being a fuckboy, from being a high value man, being confident, and then creating this amazing lifestyle for yourself. It's pretty fucking amazing. What's cool is like, it doesn't even take a long time to do this. Now there's one last step of this entire piece of content. We're gonna talk about that in the next video, and that's comfort. That's making sure people feel respected, comfortable around you, learning how to just make people feel comfortable around you, learning how to have a social awareness and a social intelligence so you can make things work in your favor. Because if you're delusionally confident, but you don't have any ability to have a social awareness, you're gonna be making people feel awkward and uncomfortable, and that's gonna be bad. Very, very fucking bad. Now think about like the rock star douchebag who like borrows your guitar and then smashes it on stage. You don't want to be that guy. You want to be the guy who, you provide these amazing experiences, you meet people, you're fun, you're confident, you're high value, but you come out of it with a win-win because everyone's happy and everyone feels respected. So we're gonna talk about it in the next video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Just again, my name is Justin Mark. I love making this content for you guys. If you're new to the channel, what I want you to do is I want you to click the subscribe button and make sure to click the bell notifications so you're notified of new videos. Sorry guys, I'm gonna get back to the party soon. So what I want you to do is I want you to leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm for this video. And I also want you to follow me on all my social media. Link in the description. You can actually message me and I will reply to every single fucking message, or at the very least, I'll read your messages. And yeah, so make sure to follow my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2. Make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms and join my Inner Circle Telegram group. That's awesome. And leave a comment down below if you have any questions at all. And guys, it's great chatting with you guys. I love talking to you guys. So make sure that you are subscribed, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.